Another blog post from Bullet. Bullet contains lots of interesting stories and lots of tips on how to run your business even better. Today we're going to be talking about 5 tips for boosting digital agency online invoice efficiency. We can all improve how we run our business. In this short post, we'll be going to give you 5 killer tips to improve how you run your invoicing. Without running a strong focus on online invoicing, everything starts to suffer. Clients get complacent about paying, jobs start to run into one another, and cash flow suffers. Next thing you know, you're struggling to hit payroll. In this post, we'll give you 5 quick tips that'll help you steer away from trouble. Naturally, all these features are automatically handled by Bullet, the most fantastic online accounting and payroll product in the world, but I'm sure most systems will do pretty much the same as this. So let's jump in and have a look at the post. There's the king of the money. So the first thing we're going to talk about is getting paid online. Getting paid online with our online invoicing is kind of a no-brainer. The whole transaction from bank account to bank account only takes a matter of minutes. It's reconciled in your account straight away, which means it matches up, and you can instantly forget about having to chase that client. There are some products you can use to allow people to pay online. Stripe and PayPal are already integrated into Bullet's online accounts, but you can also use other products like AlertPay. If you hit some resistance with clients on paying online, which is usually the biggest problem we hear about from other agencies, engage with them by offering them an online discount. These online discounting service will be a new thing we'll be offering in Bullet soon. You'd be surprised as to how expensive late payments are to a business. So don't underestimate that. Number 2, when are payments due? In a recent report by the Credit Bureau, over 80% of clients that don't pay on time blame the fact that they forgot about it. There are some tricks to fix this. It wouldn't be uncommon for digital agencies to be coy about chasing clients for money. Some nice tricks here will do the job. Firstly, give every invoice a due date. It gets flagged in Bullet or whatever system you're using, and then you're on top of it. Number 2, create a fake email address called accounts@yourcompany.com or Frank or Mary or John, and send them a mail saying, "Hi, this is Mary from accounts, just to let you know you have an invoice due. Any questions? Please let me know." We'll be bringing in auto reminders soon into Bullet. Third thing you can do is get a friend or co-worker to call them pretending they're from the accounts department. "Hi, this is Mary from accounts. Just giving you a courtesy call to make sure that you're all okay for the payment of invoice 1234. They'll go, "Yeah, of course, Mary, thanks for the reminder." These are all nice, simple and polite ways to chase money. Number 3, include your contact details. We get asked a lot of questions in Bullet about invoices. Usually they rotate around customizing invoices. We indeed allow for some basic customization, but a lot of the information we ask you when creating an invoice is designed to protect you. So people tend to focus in on the look and feel of the invoice, when in actual fact they can be making terrible mistakes later on. So, ensuring you're complying with regulation should an issue arise, and never mind managing your VAT. Remember, Bullet automates your VAT. Although you might have a good relationship with the client, your invoice could and probably will be passed around the office from department to department. So include company name, contact details to resolve queries quickly, and email. If you're working in a big office and have a direct line, make sure to include that too, because that can be a real pain. Number 4, number your online invoices. Although we automatically do this in Bullet, sometimes a lot of people don't. You can also come up with custom ways of numbering your invoices. If you're not generating a lot of invoices, then numbering mightn't seem like a big issue, although it creates a good reference point should a dispute arise. If you do work on a lot of invoices, it can be handy to have a system that, say, covers the month, your client ID, that kind of thing. There are lots of different tricks, and like every system, everyone has their own way of doing it. Any online accounting and payroll solution that's worth its salt should have an automated numbering system. Number 5, get into the habit of follow-ups. So, we've mentioned this earlier about how to chase clients. Just keep a good eye on the stages of your invoices' due dates. In Bullet, we give you a to-do list which tracks all the items you need to chase. Not to mention the read receipt tool, so you'll never have to listen to the, "Oh, I never got that invoice." You just can't escape from having too many daily tasks running. You just can't escape from having to do daily tasks when running a design company, digital agency, or any other kind of client business. Just got to be done. So what do you think is important to track in invoices? Shoot on over to Bullet, click on our blog, and give us an answer. Or answer here on YouTube. Thanks.